Hello Kailians! Welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki TV. So for today's video, we are celebrating the Fiesta Filipinas with the theme of Lami Lamihan Festival. So guys, naka-set up na po ako. Ayan, yung laptop ko, and for the Zoom. Are you ready to join today's fiesta? Welcome visitas. See you in a bit. Ayan. See you guys. And I hope na mag-enjoy ang lahat po ng kabayans and all participants sa ganitong event na naman na inihanda ng Philippine Embassy, Laos, and also the Department of Foreign Affairs. So, ayan guys. Sana mag-enjoy and let's start!
A lot of lovely visitas online. How are you all doing? Why don't you all turn on your camera so we see you right now? So many guests. I know we have visitas from all different places and even time zones.
We've got friends from Mexico, Bangladesh, South
Africa, Lebanon, Bahrain, Argentina, Hong Kong, Australia, USA, Brunei, Vietnam, Cambodia, name it, they're all here. Hello everyone. There we go. We see everyone. Come on. Make a name. Say hello.
Wave everyone. With us we have the Philippine Consul General to Hong Kong, Rani Tejada, Engineer Honorary Consul to Monterrey.
Ayan guys, mag-start na. Ang saya. Ayan.
We are heading to Zamboanga and Lamitan in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, it's a food.
With this view and this amazing cuisine, the travel is really worth it. So, let's eat, or as the Yakan say it, nanekite.
Mangan nikete. Parang sa La Union din, sa Ilocos, mangan is eat.
Their food are all halal or Muslim friendly.
Well, they are Muslim, so halal.
In front of us is the dula. In this authentic Yakan presentation, you will find all kinds of dishes during the Lami Lamihan Festival. Let's see what we have here. Kalia, chicken langgang, matcha,
Bacha.
gula ipon, and kabisan sa kabasi. Let's start with Kalia. So this is chicken with coconut milk.
Hala. So guys, ito yung pasalubong. Ayan. Which is the open ko na. And just check it, my unboxing recording dito po. Ayan. Just check on my, well, I will put in my description box. Ayan.
Let's unbox the festival kit and see what is inside. This is something special over here.
So ito na nga guys, yung activity natin. Ayan. Making the embroidered. Tapos may mga kuha natin. May mga colored one din tayo dito. So ayan.
So do you have your kids with you? Can I see them? You see that?
Alright, you see, let's hold up your kits. You should all have a kit like
Ayan.
this. Go ahead and open that and
Mga kuha natin,
lay out the
participants.
So what we have inside, we have punching mat and pushpin.
Punching mod. So guys, ayan, butasan natin yung mga kuha natin, yung pattern natin with this pin. Mag-ingat
Punching
na.
mat. And lay your card over that mat. And get your pushpin. Now what you do is punch the hole.
Ayan. Punch guys. Mahirap butas. Kailangan kasi butasan just like one. Hindi kagaya ng cross stitch, no? Para siyang cross stitch, guys. Nagganito kami nung nung mga grade 5, grade 4, nung isa sa mga kwan natin to, activity po sa Fiesta Filipinas, yung ito, may mga handicraft. So last time gomamela yung ginawa natin. So ayan.
Finish punching all the
Ayan.
holes first before proceeding to
Pero okay na siguro to, yung half. May napan na tayo, no? So ito, after that, tada! This is the na-punch na po. Ayan, ang ganda niya. So let's begin!
There you go. Now get your needle.
Tapos, enlarge view siya.
It's the front side of the paper, okay? So this is the needle. Let's say let's start from your bottom left. Okay, so starting from the back, push the needle out
From the back.
to the front
Wait.
end. Go diagonal to your right.
Guys, ito yung nasimulan ko na. Ayan, start na tayo mag-embroid. I hope na makuha ko to. Red part na tayo. Ito, red part. I hope na magawa ko to. Ayan, i-continue natin yung sa blue part. Guys, ito na nga yung patapos na, isang tusok na lang. Matatapos ko na ang aking ang ating Yakan weaving inspired embroidered card. So, ayan guys. So, this will be my finished product. Ayan, our Philippine flag. So, wait, ikon ko, no? I-end ko na lang. Ang saya, ang ganda guys. This will be okay lang na sa likod. Pero, ito na, this is it. So guys, ayan, our Philippine flag. I hope matapos ko to and i-feature ko sa Instagram ko. So guys, hope you like my ginagawa ko. Thank you so much, Philippine Embassy and Department of Commerce.
All right, again, earphones, everyone. This is it.
All right, put your earphones on, sit back, close your eyes as we go
Direct
on
sun.
the journey together. Are you ready, visitas? Here we
Yes.
go. In 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Fiesta Filipinas auditory experience for the Lami Lamihan Festival. We hope you have your headphones on to fully enjoy this experience. Let us begin. Close your eyes. It's a sunny day, so you have your sunglasses on. You're in the middle of the ocean in the southern part of the Philippines, riding a ferry, or rolo as they call it here. You're on your way to a place called Lamitan, where a special festival is taking place today.
Hi, is this the place? What's there, sir?
You exit the rolo and follow the crowd excitedly. You traveled by air, land, and sea just to see this place, and already you feel the entire trip has been worth it. This is Lamitan, a city on the island of Basilan, located somewhere in the south of the Philippines.
Welcome to the Lami Lamihan Festival. Where's that music coming from?
Suddenly, you're transported to where the music is being performed. You've never heard music like this before. Sounds from a bamboo xylophone called a kabang, a gong called a gung, and a horizontal set of smaller gongs called a kunintang, played as one instrument. Together they make a unique and catchy sound that makes you move in step with the dancers in the parade. You take off your sunglasses to appreciate the view. Wow! The whole city is alive! There are floats with various colorful themes ranging from boats, wedding ceremonies, culinary displays, and warriors in battle. Dancers are clad in various costumes, some with long golden jewelry on their nails. The dancers are everywhere, all stepping in unison, creating vibrant kaleidoscope-like visuals as they move. Everyone is dressed in colorful clothes with intricate patterns. You stop by one of the kiosks selling these creative pieces of cloth. There are weavers of all ages, boys, girls, men, and women, using a traditional weaving mechanism made of wood. You realize this is a cultural practice that's been handed down for many generations. Wow, that is a beautiful pattern. Thank you. You continue walking around to see more of the festival. There is an ongoing parade, some performances that seem like short plays, more dances, more weavers, food, and music. You just can't get enough of that music. You shyly ask a local if you can try to play one of the instruments. They say yes and cheer you on.
Yes, go ahead, sir. You're doing great, Sam. You're very good. Hey, thanks for letting me do that. Solomon.
You take more photos with the locals and decide you're not leaving without a souvenir. You purchase the weave design created by the old woman you saw earlier.
Thank you po.
You can't wait to show this to your friends.
Sir, it's time to go.
The local that brought you hear earlier motions that it's time to go. You barely notice the time. Has it already been a few hours? You take one last look at the festival, wave goodbye to the lovely people, and board the Ro-Ro again. As the Ro-Ro moves away from the pier, the sounds from the Lami Lamihan Festival are slowly replaced by the waves. You smile while looking at your photos and the piece of Yakan woven cloth you brought with you. Reminders of one unexpected afternoon you won't soon forget. See you here for real next time.
How was that experience, Besitas? We saw some.
So guys, ayan nga na narinig nyo din yung about sa auditory experience sa festival in South, which is in Lami Lamihan Festival. So, nakaka-miss lang guys sa Pilipinas dahil mga ganitong fiesta no na which is hindi naman nila ginagawa dito sa ibang bansa na iba yung fiesta dito tapos yung lalo na yung parada, may parade, ayan, yung tugtugan sa kalsada, ayan no. Nakaka-miss lang guys yung ganyang festival. So, ayan, thank you so much for this kind of event given by Department of Foreign Affairs and our Philippine Embassy Laos. Ayan. So, salamat po sa experience na to. I hope na may mga susunod pa pong events like this from Fiesta Filipinas kasi this will be the last event this year. So I hope na meron pong susunod na event na ma-organize. Again, hope you like this video guys and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Bandongzki and see you to my next vlog. Bye-bye! Kap, shai lai lai, kap kun kap, agyaman na.